Stationary gas engines, that's really what they're called. Some people don't realize that they're known as emergency generators. Why? Because it's really a gas engine. Rather than running on gasoline or diesel fuel, it's running on natural gas or propane gas. Still an engine that goes in your car, your truck, whatever you have, but they're not in a moving vehicle. So they call them stationary gas engines. And I know that has frustrated a bunch of people in the past when they look at that in the code book, but now you know. Some of them can look like the image on your left right now. If you took that whole jacket off of that particular image on your left, that's what it looks like. The one with a jacket's going outside, the one without a jacket can go in a building. If you're putting them in a building, you better be very aware that the vent and flue that you're seeing on top in this picture, which would be here, is going to be steel pipe going up through the building. You just have to remember, it has to be insulated with a pretty extensive insulation to prevent fire. Because that thing starts to run, it's going to heat up, it gets red hot. It's like touching an exhaust pipe. That's your duty to pay attention to that when you're hooking the fuel up to it. You got to make sure that it's being exhausted in a proper way. Some of you will never, ever, ever get into that. But you know what? Unfortunately, I've known a number of plumbers that have. Some are real good at it, and some burnt the building down. Y'all have to have more common sense and more awareness than some of the people who have burnt buildings down, because, yeah, should the plumber have known? Should everybody involved have been known? Yeah, they should have, but they didn't.